Everyone, it's Alissa from Inside the Box Photography. I just wanted to make a little additional video because thank you to my dear friend Cynthia Russo who pointed out to me an easier way to import in an entire Inside the Box composite that you've already created. In my last video, I showed you kind of a long and convoluted way of doing it by just placing it on top, not realizing that not thinking about the idea that I could just make one clipping mask. So that's what I've done. So I'm going to show you how to import an already created square shaped inside the box composite. The one I'm going to import is a 9-box one. You could do a 4-box, a single box, any amount that is square. So here we go. You'll see now I've updated this and there is a single box clipping mask. So I turned it off. I'm turning it back on. I'm going to File, Place Embedded. I'm going to choose this one right here. Place it. I'm going to hold my Shift button down and resize this square so it fits generally underneath. Press the check mark. Now I'm going to go over to the panel on the right side. I'm going to right click on that layer, create clipping mask, and it now is clipped underneath, but it's still a little bit too small, so I'm going to go Command T to transform, holding my Shift button down. I am now just enlarging this a tiny bit till I like the way it looks. I can even really drag it all the way out if I want to, so that you don't see the edges of my border at all. And now it just looks like it is completely underneath this template. And there you go. That was so much easier. Thank you, Cynthia. Let me just show you one more thing in case you want to put in a single box. File, Place Embedded. I'm going to pick a single box, this cutie pie. I'm going to do the same thing again. Click, create clipping mask, and then I'm going to go Control T, and I'm going to transform this box. Actually, look what I did. I clipped the layer to the other layer, so I'm going to move it down so it's directly underneath the clipping mask. Again, I'm going to press Command T. I'm going to move this around until I like where it is, and voila, I have a single box. So I can have a single box, I can have a 9-box, all in a matter of seconds. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.